Hi Chyna gang, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm getting into this individual lash video, and as you can see on my client, I'm prepping her lashes and talking to her about the different lengths that I have. But this is a close-up of her lashes, and as you can see, they're kind of thin. They're not like full, but we're going for a full look. So I'm going to pull her eyelids up and start putting the clustered lashes underneath. The glue that I'm using is the Duo Clear Lash Glue, and the lashes that we're using is the clustered long kiss lashes. I'm gonna have everything hopefully in the description down below so you can purchase it. But the best thing to do is hold up the lid. You do not want your eyelids gluing shut, so the whole time she's holding it up. I prefer if the person can do it because it kind of makes it more easy for them. But she's gonna blink a few times. This is also her first time, by the way, doing any type of individual lashes, so dealing with any of the glues and the lashes and all that stuff. But for the most part, you know, it came out pretty well, and you know, she enjoyed it. But yeah, so as you can see, this is basically the routine on that. We pull up the lid, apply the clustered lashes to one of the individual lash itself. Now, I cannot stress enough, do not put this by the water line, because now this is the thing. If you put it by the waterline and not the actual lash itself, it will burn the person's eye, like, tremendously. So this is a close-up of me doing the first set of lashes. I'm gonna do about two sets of lashes, so I'm gonna double stack it and then fill in. But we're gonna use the whole tray. Now, these kiss lashes came with, clustered lashes must have came with maybe 50 pieces or so, give or take. And I'm just taking each piece and, like I said, placing it underneath and making sure that I give myself enough space where the lashes can look full, but then also, like, I'm not overlapping on top of each other while I'm doing the filling underneath. So like I mentioned, make sure that you look and see the actual lash itself. You do not want to place it on the waterline, any skin, anything like that. You want to make sure you place it on the actual lash. Now, doing this over time can actually damage your lashes. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it can definitely damage it if you do it constantly. But for the most part, if like I said, if you do it properly, where you're actually putting it on your lashes and you're keeping it on, you're not pulling them off, you're letting them grow out on its own naturally, it doesn't do anything. I put my lashes on all the time, it's fine. But just remember, if you don't do it correctly, it can damage your lashes, and if you do it too often, it can damage your lashes. So definitely try to put yourself and taking breaks and like gap periods. I normally go at least 2 to 3 weeks without wearing any lashes, or if you're somebody that has to go out often, definitely try to wear lashes when you go out, and then maybe during the times you're not going out, or maybe you're just going to work and something not as big, you definitely don't wear the lashes. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it, and it will come out like this, all nice and full. Then we're gonna start going and double stacking it at the top. Like I mentioned, this is the part where I work on putting the extra lashes that I have left over on top. So I'm not doing it underneath, I'm doing it on top, because you know, over time, at least give or take 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, the lashes start falling off between that time. And a little trick that I learned is, if you put the lashes on top, when the bottom row starts to fall out, because they're not all placed in the same area, once they start to fall out, it looks so much more natural, and you'll realize that so many of your clients and stuff like that would love it better when you have it like this. Also, it's just a little bit less strain on the lash underneath. So having all the lashes be piled up underneath one section, or one lash line, or one lash itself, is just a lot of it's a lot more straining on the lash. So you just switch it up and give yourself that flexibility, and you can see here how fluffy and nice it got. So you see a close-up of that. It fluffs it up so much, you guys, when you do this. But this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you guys want to learn upkeep and all that other stuff, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.